They're still there.
Don't answer it.
What if they already know we're inside?
Please, don't open that door.
You can't keep hiding forever. If the truth is outside, I'm ready to face it. There's no one here.
That's impossible.
Another envelope.
I know that handwriting.
Whose is it? You recognized it. Tell me whose handwriting this is.
I prayed I'd never see it again.
This necklace, who did it belong to?
Lily's mother.
Then she's connected to all of this.
More than you know.
Start telling me everything.
Everything started 6 years ago, the day I made the biggest mistake of my life.
I'm listening.
Ask Noah what really happened that night.
Who is this? No more lies. Tell me what happened that night.
You deserve the truth. 6 years ago, I made one decision that changed all our lives. Lily's mother and I were never married. We were just two young people who made mistakes.
Why didn't you tell me?
I was afraid of losing you. I never had the courage to read this.
Then we'll read it together. This can't be true. She knew everything. She never hated you. She was trying to protect someone.
Protect who?
I think she was protecting Lily. What are you looking for?
Something I should have found years ago.
This changes everything.
Daddy, why are you both crying?
The last page.
Emma, don't.
Why? What are you afraid I'll find? You said this album contained the truth.
I said it contained part of the truth.
Then let's find the rest. Noah,
What did you see?
you knew she was still alive.
Emma, please let me explain.
You told me she was gone.
I thought she was.
This date is after you said she disappeared.
That isn't possible.
Then someone has been lying to both of us.
Daddy, who is that?
Lily, don't worry about that.
Noah, why are you hiding something from me? If you're reading this, then you finally brought her home.
No.
Who was she waiting for?
She wasn't waiting for me. Ask Emma what happened 6 years ago.
Why is everybody scared?
Because I remember something. Noah, I need you to tell me the truth.
Emma, the truth is not what you think.
Then tell me what it is.
There are things I should have told you years ago.
Years ago, what are you talking about?
I was afraid of losing you.
Daddy, why is Emma angry?
She isn't angry, sweetheart.
I'm not angry, Lily. I just want the truth. What's inside that envelope?
Something from my past.
Then why are you so afraid of me seeing it?
Her name was Sarah.
Sarah?
She was part of my life before I met you.
You told me there was nobody else.
I know what I told you.
Then you lied to me.
I didn't just hide Sarah from you.
What else did you hide?
I hid the reason she disappeared.
Who's calling you?
I don't know.
Then why are you scared to answer? Noah, what does that mean? Lily's mother?